How to get rid of cigarette smell on your skin and hair, detailed guide. Secondhand smoke isn't the most pleasant experience, especially when you're left with the unpleasant smell of cigarettes on your skin and hair. But don't worry, because we've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of cigarette smell on your skin and hair with a few simple steps. So let's get started. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! How to remove cigarette smell from skin. Use any of these methods to remove cigarette smell from your skin. Method 1. Use baking soda and water. Baking soda has natural deodorizing properties. When mixed with water and applied to the skin, it can help reduce cigarette smell. The baking soda absorbs the odor molecules, leaving the skin smelling fresh. To start, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir until it forms a paste, and then apply it to your skin. Rub the paste into your skin, and then thoroughly rinse off with warm water. Use warm water because it is gentle and will not irritate the skin. Using hot water can be too harsh and can cause redness and irritation. Whereas, cold water may not be as effective at removing the paste and the smell. Avoid leaving the paste on your skin for too long. Doing so could cause skin irritation or redness. Keep it for no longer than 10 to 15 minutes. After rinsing off the paste, you can use a moisturizer if necessary. Method 2. Use lemon juice and white vinegar. Lemon juice and white vinegar are acidic. This allows them to neutralize the smell of cigarette smoke. Their strong scent also helps mask the smell of cigarettes on the skin. For this method, mix 1 cup of lemon juice and 1 cup of white vinegar. Fill up a bathtub with warm water. Then, add the lemon juice and white vinegar mixture. Using warm water instead of cold water will help open up your pores. This, in turn, will allow the solution to penetrate more deeply into the skin. This ensures the solution has the maximum effect on the cigarette smell. After adding the mixture, soak in the bath for 20 minutes. Ensure that the mixture doesn't get into your eye as it can cause irritation. If there are cuts or open wounds on your skin, do not use this method. The sting of the mixture can be painful, especially when acting on cuts or wounds. During this period, the acidity of the mixture will neutralize the smell. The ingredients in the mixture also act as natural astringents. Therefore, they can help reduce swelling, inflammation, and irritation caused by cigarette smoke. Finally, the warm water will draw out smoke impurities from the skin. Do not soak in the bath for more than 20 minutes. Doing so could cause skin irritation or dryness. Moreover, lemon juice could bleach and discolor your skin. When you're done, rinse off your skin with warm water. This will help prevent any irritation caused by the acidic mixture. Finally, pat your skin dry with a towel. This will remove any residual mixture that may be left on your skin. You can also follow up with a moisturizer if needed. How to remove cigarette smell from hair. You can use the following ingredients to remove cigarette smell from your hair. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural ingredient to remove cigarette smell from your hair. Its acidic nature helps break down the chemicals from cigarettes. It's also a powerful odor neutralizer that can help eliminate any unpleasant smells. In addition, its antibacterial properties can help keep your scalp and hair clean and healthy. Finally, it is a great natural conditioner that can make your hair softer and shinier. To use it, start by mixing equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Then, pour the mixture over your hair and scalp, making sure to cover all areas. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Baking soda. Baking soda is a great natural deodorizer and absorbent. Therefore, it can neutralize the odor and reduce the amount of smoke residue left on your hair. To use this, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 2 cups of water in a bowl. Then, mix it until it dissolves. After it dissolves, pour the mixture over your hair and make sure to cover all areas. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is another great natural odor neutralizer you can use. In addition, its refreshing citrus scent can help mask the smell of smoke. Start by mixing the juice of 1 lemon with 2 cups of water in a bowl. Then, follow the rest of the instructions just as we described for the previous ingredients. Essential oils. Essential oils such as lavender, rosemary, and eucalyptus can help remove the smell of cigarettes from your hair. They are highly concentrated and can penetrate into the hair follicles and neutralize odors. In addition, they leave behind a pleasant scent. Their antibacterial and antiseptic properties make them favorites for most folks. To use essential oils, add a few drops of the oil to a cup of water in a bowl and mix it together. Then, follow the rest of the instructions described for previous ingredients to apply the mixture to your hair. Dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is an effective way to absorb odor and oil from your hair and scalp. Most of these products contain natural ingredients, such as baking soda, cornstarch, and essential oils. Before applying the shampoo, brush your hair to remove any excess dirt and grime. Next, shake a small amount of dry shampoo onto your scalp and hair. Make sure to cover all areas. Then, follow the rest of the instructions described for the previous ingredients. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.